The Time Traveler's Secret. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a curious boy named Leo. Leo loved history. He enjoyed reading books about ancient civilizations, famous battles, and great leaders. One day, while exploring his grandfather's attic, he discovered a dusty old box. Inside, there was an unusual pocket watch. It was beautiful, with strange symbols engraved on its surface. As Leo examined the watch, he accidentally pressed a button. Suddenly, a bright light surrounded him, and he felt a strange sensation. When the light faded, he found himself standing in a bustling market in ancient Rome. The sights and sounds amazed him. He saw merchants selling fruits, people wearing togas, and children playing games. Leo realized that the pocket watch was a time machine. He spent the day exploring the city, watching gladiators train and listening to philosophers discuss ideas. He learned so much about Roman life that he could hardly wait to return home and share his adventures. As the sun began to set, Leo pressed the button on the watch again. In a flash, he was back in his grandfather's attic, heart racing with excitement. He couldn't believe what had just happened. From that day on, Leo became even more passionate about history. He knew that the past was alive and full of stories waiting to be discovered. Each time he looked at the pocket watch, he smiled, knowing he held a secret that could take him anywhere in time.